Hi guys, it's Mrs. Thompson. I just wanted to show you how to access your assignments through your LaunchPad. On the Google Classroom, it'll tell you to complete certain lessons that are listed through your LaunchPad and through connectED. So for you guys, when you come into LaunchPad, you need to go straight to connectED right here and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the online component that matches up to our 6th and 7th grade math books. And if you see here, you have your 6th grade math book and your 7th grade math book. And all you need to do is launch. Most of your review will be out of 6th grade. There's a couple of things that you can look at on this page. Here you have your homework. This is what is going to be due starting tomorrow. It'll go live so that you can click on it and mess around with it, answer the questions that are on there. This is where all your assignments will be located if they are through your connectED book. There's a couple of things that you can look at on your website. If you go to the menu and go to resources, it has got a ton of resources for you so that maybe you want to print off some more stuff to do or your parents want you to do some more. There's all kinds of stuff for you to look at. If you go to more, there are some quick review skill, the workbook. Just if you're going to print some of these pages off, make sure that you print off just the pages you need. So if you want some extra practice, there's all kinds of stuff in there for that. You also have, I know how you guys love some graphic novels. So all of those graphic novel pages that we've had in our textbooks are actually right here in one spot. So if you were interested in looking at those as well, those are there for you. So there's a lot of stuff that goes into your actual online component for your math book. You can change the chapter. So we were working on geometry and algebra, and it gives you, activities that you can do in practice at home. One of the really neat things about your resources for you is that you have available to you the virtual manipulatives. And say you're working with your integers and you want to work with the color tiles or the the counting, not connecting cubes, but your circles. 2 color counters, there we go. And you can use those when you're adding or subtracting positive and negative integers. Change the colors if you want, write on it if you want. All kinds of fun stuff that you can do. You can kind of play around with this and see what you're able to do and if you need to be able to use it. If you come back here and go to homework, this is where it's showing you homework that's due, homework that is due later. And this is going to start on the 23rd and is due the following Monday. Then your history of what you've done. There's also a notebook that you can go to and you can type things in. If you wanted to, you can also go and look at the glossary. You have a glossary available to you. It gives you examples of everything. Let me go back. Oops. So you can take notes in there if you want to. You can even go to my messages, which if I need to, I can send you an email or you can talk to me through here too. Lots of ways to stay in contact, guys. Make sure that you're doing that. Just take your time, look at things, play around with your dashboard. You have your actual book as well if you wanted to look at that to see your actual textbook and what you could do in it. There you go, right there. All right, if you go to your contents, chapter 3, it's going to take you right to where we're working on integers. If you need to look at anything to help you review, turn the pages. All right, so just let me know if you have any questions, and I hope that helps you find your assignments. I'll talk to you later.